Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's time to do the gaming performance test of Samsung Galaxy A8 2018 model. Now before I go ahead and start playing some games on this phone, I want to tell you about the game launcher settings on this phone. So on Samsung phones nowadays you are getting this game launcher option. So for that you need to go in settings, go in advanced features, and go in games, and from here you need to turn on game launcher. Once you do that and you go back, you will get this new folder on your home screen called game launcher, and once you go in there you will see all your installed games on the phone in one place. Now the advantage of this folder is that you can actually turn on and off alerts during the games, so you can do that even before launching the game. You can play the game muted, and then you can play the game in high performance mode, in power saving mode, and in normal performance mode. Now for this video I will play this game Asphalt 8 first in power saving mode and then in high performance mode, so you can see the difference clearly between these two modes and see the gaming performance of this phone. So let's go to power saving mode and launch Asphalt 8 and see what it has to offer. Now one good thing about this phone is that the speaker is on the side, so you cannot muffle it while playing the game and get a very good audio out of it while you are playing the game. So there we go. And let's launch the game. Now you have to remember that we are playing in the power saving mode, so there may be some lag and there may be some frame drops while I'm playing the game. So straight away I can see some lag, some stuttering, and some frame drops as well. Not the best performance you can have out of a phone, but I can say that it still works. But there are some definite frame drops here, some definite lag as well. So that was the performance in power saving mode. Now let's go ahead and launch this game in high performance mode. So there we go. Let's go in high performance mode. Let's launch again. And I expect to see some zippiness here this time around and much faster gameplay without any lags. You can see that it has loaded straight away without any lag, without any delay. So that's good, and you will see that the game will also load much faster than last time. So let's go ahead. So there we go, and as I had expected, much faster gameplay. There is a bit of zippiness here this time because there is nothing interrupting the performance of this game now. It's in high performance mode, so all the resources of the phone are available to this game right now. Although there is some lag, I can notice some frame drops still in performance mode. In high performance mode there are some frame drops. but it is a much better performance this time around than the power saving mode. It's quite not as good as I had expected, to be honest. There are some frame drops and lag still, but that may be due to the fact that it may need some time to readjust the gaming performance to high performance mode. I don't know, but there is definite lag here in this mode. So let's finish at number 1 position quickly. So there we go, guys. That was the gaming performance test on Samsung Galaxy A8. We played first in power saving mode and then in higher performance mode. Now in power saving mode there was a lot of lag and a lot of stuttering and a lot of frame drops, but much of that was removed in high performance mode. But I still could definitely see some of the lag in high performance mode, some frame drops as well. But other than that, the gameplay was quite nice. The graphics are really nice and it played smoothly for most part of the game. Now one good thing here is that the speaker is on the side, so you cannot muffle it. And I also want to test whether the phone has gotten any hot. So not that bad, it's definitely warm around here. So but still you can handle it normally and comfortably. So that's about it from this video, guys. That was the gaming review of Samsung Galaxy A8. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments, or you can catch me up on Twitter as well, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.